Chicken wings are always a crowd favorite. Whether they're baked, fried, grilled, with spicy buffalo sauce or a tangy barbecue sauce, with blue cheese dressing served with celery and carrots, there's not much better. But what if you're looking for something different? Well, I've got something for you. Limoncello chicken wings. They're quick, easy, not very many ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make them. The first thing we're going to do is start with about 4 pounds of chicken wings. Now I've got fresh whole wings here, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to serve your chicken wings. The first one I would almost consider kind of an entree way to serve chicken wings. It's a nice hot day, you're eating dinner, a nice crisp salad on the porch, and you want maybe just a couple of wings to go along with your salad. So what I would do in that situation is I would leave these wings whole, and I would just take them and fold them over and put them right in the bag. And we'll do about a half a dozen wings in this way. So you can see you get a nice triangle shaped wing. The next way is the more traditional way. We're going to cut this little guy off the flapper, and we're going to discard that because there's really not much but cartilage there. That's going to leave you with the drumette and the flat. And really all you have to do is kind of go right down the middle where the two come together and just put your knife straight down. And there you've got your typical, your classic drumette and your flat. So we're going to go ahead and finish these up, get them into the bag, and then I'm going to show you how to make the marinade. Our marinade is really simple and easy. We've got 7 ingredients. Our herbs are thyme, oregano, and rosemary. And I really prefer to use fresh herbs for this recipe. However, my local supermarket was all out of fresh oregano. So I have to replace it with dried oregano. And in any fresh herb versus dried herb situation, it's about 1/3 of the dry spice that you would use. So we're using a tablespoon of fresh thyme, a tablespoon of fresh rosemary, and 1 teaspoon, because there's 3 teaspoons to a tablespoon, of dried oregano. So let's go ahead and get those in our bag. I have an onion cut in half. I have 1 whole lemon quartered. Just going to go ahead and give that a squeeze and drop those in the bag. And the reason we want those whole lemons still left in the bag is we're going to put them on the grill when we grill the chicken. Then we've got a cup of olive oil. And then the ingredient that's going to take it over the top, a cup of limoncello. Now, limoncello is an Italian liqueur, Italian lemon liqueur, typically made from Amalfi lemons on the Amalfi Coast. Limoncello is available at pretty much any wine or liquor store in your area, and I can tell you, you don't have to spend a lot of money on limoncello. Get the cheaper stuff for using in this recipe. Now I'm going to seal up the bag. I'm going to get my herbs nicely mixed into the chicken with the lemon and the onion. Oh, this is going to be really delicious. I'm going to keep it in this stainless steel bowl. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to marinate, and then we grill. We are outside at the grill, and you can hear the landscapers working, so you know we're really truly outside. Our chicken wings on the grill. All right, we've got our 2 styles of wings. Got our party wings here. We're going to let these go for a couple minutes per side, kind of watching for our flame up here. And then what I'm going to call our entree wings over here are folded whole wings. And we're going to let those go for a good 2 or 3 minutes per side. And what we're looking for is a nice even char, which we're getting. And we'll move kind of away from the open flame that we got there. Our wings have been cooking for about 4 minutes or so. We're going to go ahead and get these guys turned over. You can see we've got nice color coming through, a little bit of char marks. And we'll let these guys go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Our wings have been on for about 12 minutes or so, and this is what we're looking for. Some nice caramelized edges. You can see here the juices are running clear. That tells us that we're done. So we're going to go ahead and start taking these from the back off the grill first, because I know my grill runs hotter in the back than it does up in the front. You can see here the juices are running clear again, so we know we're done. And we're going to let these guys rest for a couple minutes. And then we're going to enjoy some wings. We'll see you back inside. I brought Victoria in because she made some coleslaw to go along with the wings. What better things to have than wings and coleslaw together? And since we're known for kind of pairing drinks with the things that we made, today we made a delicious lemon vodka tonic made with our favorite vodka, Woody Creek vodka out of Basalt, Colorado. 100% potato vodka, so it's gluten-free. And a little splash of the limoncello to pair with the wings. I just made one drink. We're going to share it. But I'm not even sure what we should try first.
I mean, where do we start here? I think we have to start with the wings.
We have to start with the wings, I guess,
okay,
for
I'm
sure.
Going in. I'm going in.
Let's go in and try the wings.
Oh, I love the bright lemony flavor. It's not lemony, but it's lemony.
Bright and refreshing.
Yeah, I don't know how else to describe it.
The fresh herbs are a great change of pace from a buffalo sauce or a barbecue sauce. And the wings are so light and refreshing, and they're so juicy that I don't even have a sauce to dip the wings into. You could dip them in a ranch or something like that, but I don't know. I feel the wings just don't even need a dip.
They're so juicy and tender and flavorful. I think if you dipped in some, you would really cover up all that beautiful flavor that you achieve with the marinade and the grilling. I think they're wonderful as is.
And the coleslaw is delicious.
Oh, so
and of
good.
course, we have to give our cocktail a try. And anytime you have a cocktail that has similar or same ingredients as what you're pairing it with is going to naturally go well together. Light, crisp, and refreshing. So everything across the board here. Great summer sitting on the porch, appetizer, snack, meal if you just want to have wings and coleslaw.
I would have this as a meal.
I would absolutely have this as a meal
or
too.
lunch, breakfast, dinner, doesn't matter, I'd have it.
So there you have it, a different spin on chicken wings over the traditional. Light, crisp, herby, and easy. Thanks so much for following along. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Like this, hit that notification bell for this and lots of other recipes we have coming up soon. And until next time, cheers.
Cheers.